Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x cosine x dx. Okay, so this integral you can solve using the formula for integration by parts that says integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so here if I define x as u, therefore dx will be equal to du. Okay, and I define cosine x dx as dv, therefore v will be equal to the integral of cosine x dx, which is equal to sine x. Okay, so here you need to substitute these equations into this formula. That will be so therefore this integral will be equal to uv, that is u here, times v, that is sinus x, which will be x times sinus x, minus integral of v. What is v here? V is sinus x times du. What is du? Du is equal to dx, so I just write here dx. Okay, and we know that, so x, that will be equal to x sinus x, minus, we know that the integral of sinus x is minus cosine x plus c, which is the constant of the integral, or you can simply write x sine x plus minus times minus is plus cosine x plus c. And that's the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.